Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the Zano wallet. Here's my take on the Zano wallet and whether it's a safe option for managing your Zano. The Zano wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet specifically designed for users who value anonymity and confidential transactions. It's built to seamlessly manage Zano, a cryptocurrency prioritizing privacy. You'll find links to the Zano wallet and other helpful resources in the description. One of the key features of the Zano wallet is its tight integration with the Zano blockchain. This blockchain employs advanced privacy technologies like ring CT and stealth addresses. These protocols ensure that your transactions remain private and untraceable, a crucial feature for privacy-conscious users. The wallet itself has a clean and intuitive user interface, making it easy to navigate even for cryptocurrency newcomers, while still offering advanced features for experienced users. Security is paramount with the Zano wallet. It gives you, the user, full control over your private keys. This means you, and only you, have access to your funds. The wallet also supports encrypted backups and secure seed phrases, enabling you to recover your wallet should your device be lost, stolen, or compromised. For added security, two-factor authentication, 2FA, provides an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Designed specifically for Zano, this wallet offers dedicated support for this privacy coin. It's readily available on both desktop and mobile platforms, giving you flexibility in managing your Zano holdings. In short, the Zano wallet offers a secure, privacy-centric solution for anyone using Zano. It combines robust security measures with a user-friendly interface and advanced privacy features to provide a wallet that truly prioritizes user confidentiality. If privacy is your top priority when using Zano, this wallet is definitely a strong contender. For more in-depth information and resources, be sure to check out the links in the description below.